Pogi ako eh. Hi, Cass G. Feeling ko ito yung ano mo, Bor. You have dump account. Masaya ako. Lucy! Go back to your main account. Hi, Rox. My name is charging. Charging. So you can send me a beans? That's why you're charging? Ay, recharge pala. Sorry. Hi, my love. George, hello. Charging yan? Yes. Oh, it's dots. It's connecting the dots. That's why you keep liking me. I know. I should know. Dapat. Thank you po. My nails, it's 1K guys. So, send later. Send now. Send now. I get my appointment in my nails. It's just tomorrow. Yeah, maybe in the 12th, it's tomorrow because it's Tuesday. My appointment in my nails. Ay, hindi pa nga ako nagwa-wax guys eh. Si Quincy, may tip pa siya kasi may buhok siya. Hindi pa ka nagwa-wax. I just bought my nails. Okay. Lookout. Hello, Lookout. Hi, Yan. Thank you for the follow, Yan. It's like... Hi, Lookout. Hi, Ken. It's not. It's not that hairy. Kuya D. Hi, signing off. Pagod ako. Go get rest. Good rest. Hello, signing off. Welcome to my life. Hindi. But if you have, you know, if you rest, go ahead. But send me first. It's a joke, guys. Guys, makikita nyo, i-follow nyo ako sa Instagram. Makikita nyo yung ano, makikita nyo yung post ko. I mean, my day ko. It's good.
Tapos di ba nag-vintage siya? Hindi pa kayo na-transfer na by Hindi na transfer. Ano kasi, parang mahal na mahal niya din eh.
Hi, Galante. Hi, Eyes. Hi, WTF. Welcome back. Umikot ka, no? Paikot-ikot ka, ha? Mamaya ikot nga din ako. Working. Working love. Alright. Working yarn. Taray. Meg, yung kawala nagsin. Ngayon kawala nagsin. I mean, ngayon na lang ulit. Sorry guys, correction. Diba? Yeah, dapat ganyan yung may loyalty ticket para alam ko na diba, na loyal talaga. Ano yan, Bear? Thank you. Ang cute ng ano kanina, no? Ng effect, yung may, bunny. Guys. Hi, Grandpa Jack. Hi, Akara. Yes. Pag ba may tanong ako, guys. Pag ba nagsusugal kayo,